Hello, my name is Anzal Rehman. I play cricket from Islamic Club. I'm an all-rounder. I did Amazon Wholesale FBA course from NICON Group of Colleges. Today, I will share a few top tips of selecting a winning product. Now let's start. Winning product must have a good profit margin in dollars as well as in percentage. A winning product must have a high sales velocity. A winning product must be sourced from a reliable and authentic supplier. A winning product must have a stable or increasing buy box. Highly volatile buy box shows a price war, so avoid it. Join Nikon watching for more tips and tricks about Amazon's business models. Allah Hafiz.